Hello my dear students, how are you? I hope you all are fine and safe at your home. Students, I am your maths teacher and students, this is your holiday homework book. Look this, have you this book? Very good. So students, today I will tell you summer holiday homework of maths. Okay, so students, take this book and open page number 64. So students, this is math part in your holiday homework book and this is contents of maths. First one, before and after, greater than, less than, equal to, expanded and short form, place value, cardinal and ordinal numbers, revision, addition, horizontal addition, addition with carry, word problems on addition, subtraction, horizontal subtraction without borrowing, subtraction with borrowing, word problems on subtraction, multiplication facts and multiplication tables. So students, you have to do up to 19, chapter 19, okay, 1 to 19. Understood all of you? Like this, look here, you have to do page number 65 to 83, means page number 65 to 83. Okay, understood all of you students? Now look here, I will explain for you. First one is before and after, and students, you have to do one chapter in one. Okay, firstly write today's date here. Okay, write today's date. Okay, next one, fill in the box with number just before. So in this question you have to write that number that comes before the given number, like this 236, then 235 comes before 236 na, so write here. And which number comes before 385? 384. Then you have to write here 384. Okay, and students, in good handwriting. Okay, next one question, fill in the box with the number just after means uski baad, like this 289. So which number comes after 289? 290. So write. Next one is 156. Then which number comes after 156? Then 157. Okay, next one, fill in what comes before and after. So you have to write those numbers, those comes before and after the given number, like this 135, then 134 comes before 135 and 136 comes after 135. So next one is 236, then which number comes before 236? 235. And which number comes after 236? 237. आपने ये क्वेश्चंस किए हुए हैं ना अपनी मैथ्स बुक में, उसी तरह आपको होमवर्क करना है. ओके, नाउ टर्न योर पेज. Second one, greater than, less than, equal to. This is your next day homework. Write here date. In each pair, write the smaller number in the small circle and bigger number in the big circle. You have two circles now, 1 and 2. So you have to write a small number in the small circle and bigger number in the bigger circle, like this. Here you have to compare numbers na, 3 and 3 is equal, 100 place, digit of 100 place is equal. Then you have to compare digit of tens place, 2 and 4. Then 2 is smaller than 4 na, then smaller number is 324. So write here 324. Okay, and bigger number is 346. So write here. Okay, understood all of you? How will you write this question? Understood all of you? How will you do this question? Very good. Fill in the box with one of these symbols. So this is the symbol of less, then this is the symbol of greater than, and this is the symbol of equal than. So students, you have to write this. You have to do, so students, you have to do this like this. 262 is smaller than 263, then you have to write this. Okay, like this. 920 is equal to 920, then you have to write this sign. Like this. 555 is bigger than, larger than 552, then you have to write this sign. Okay, understood all of you? How will you do this question? Very good. Now come on to next page number. Again you have to write date, date and expanded and solved form. Expanded and solved form. So you have to, in first question write the expanded form, then in first question you have to write expanded form like this. 328 and 328 like this. 400, 419, 410, 9. Okay, next one solved form. 259, then you have to add these numbers, then 259, then 259, 448, then 448. Understood all of you? So this is your homework. Do it yourself at your home very carefully and in good handwriting. Okay, now turn your page. Place value, then you have to write place. You have to write place value. It is done for done for us. So place value of 8 is 80. Place value of 1 is 100 because 1 is in 100 place, and place value of 3 is 3 because 3 is in 1's place. Okay, understood all of you? And here place value of 3 is 300 because 3 is in 100 place, and place value of 4 is 40. Okay, fill in the blanks. So students, in this question you have to fill the blanks, means you have to fill these boxes like this. Add here 374, 370 plus 4, 250, then date 50. Okay, next one 109, then 109. Okay, understood all of you? How will you do these questions? Very good. Means you have to fill these boxes according to sums. Okay, next one cardinal and ordinal numbers. Students, have you know what is cardinal and ordinal numbers? Very good. How many children are there in a row? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So count this and write here 10. Okay. Next one question is similarly first, and write the following ordinal numbers with correct spelling. So students, in this question you have to write the spelling of these cardinal numbers. Okay, like this. First one is fourth, so write here F-O-U-R-T-H, fourth. Okay, fifth, F-I-F-T-H, fifth. Okay, so you have to do like this. Find out the word in which. So E is the fifth letter, D is the third letter, N is the second letter and sixth letter, I is the first and the fourth letter. So you have to make these numbers. Okay, like this. E is the first letter, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, E. D is the third letter, so write here D. N is the second letter and sixth letter. I is the first letter and fourth letter. So Indian, which word is me? Indian, I-N-D-I-A-N. How many letters are there in the word? So 6. Okay, now turn your page. Revision. So again you have to write date, revision, write in words. So you have to write these numbers in words. 702, then 7, S-E-V-E-N, 7, 100, Q-N-D-R-E-D, 100 and 2. Okay, second one, write the smallest number is the box and the greatest in the circle. So you have to write the smallest number in the box and greatest number in this circle. Like this, smallest number is in this. Tell me students. 328. So write in the box, and greatest number 806. So write in this circle. Next one, write it the place value of underlined digits. So you have to write place value of underlined digits. Okay, means here in this number you have to write place value of 2 and here 5. Write the expanded form of 899. So write here expanded form means 899. Okay, write all the odd numbers between 793 and 820. ऑड नंबर्स मीन्स स्टूडेंट्स, ऑड नंबर्स मीन्स जो 2 से डिवाइड नहीं होते हैं, जो 2 से डिवाइड नहीं होते हैं. लाइक इस 795, 797, 799, 801, 803, 805, 807, 809, 811, 813, 815, 817 and 890. Okay, ऑड नंबर्स मीन्स जो 2 से डिवाइड नहीं होते हैं. ओके, fill in the missing numbers. Missing numbers में 281, 282, 83, 84, 85. Write the following numbers in ascending order. You know now what is ascending order? Ascending order means smallest to the largest. Means आपको सबसे पहले smallest number लिखना है, फिर उससे बड़ा, उससे बड़ा, उससे बड़ा, सबसे बड़ा. Okay, this is your 7th chapter revision. You have to write name of the words like this. 563, then 500, UNDRED 100 and 63 SIXTY 63 REE3. Okay, again you have to write place value and expanded form. You have to write correct spellings like this. First FIRST first. Draw the weights on the accused stands like this. 723 na, so you have to write weights 7, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 10s 2 and 3's 1s, then 1, 2, 3. Okay, so you have to write this. Now turn your page students. 8 addition. Then if we add to any numbers, then sum is number itself. If we add 0 to any number, then sum is number itself, na? So students, you have to fill these circles, these blanks and these blanks like this. 6, if we add 0, then we will get same number. Okay, like this. 612. 900 plus 1, then 900 plus 1. Understood all of you? How will you do these questions? Very good. एंड स्टूडेंट्स, दीज होमवर्क्स योर पर डे होमवर्क. ओके, मीन्स आपको एक दिन पर डे आपको एक पीस या एक चैप्टर करना है. आपको एक ही दिन में सारे चैप्टर्स नहीं करने, आपको एक दिन में एक चैप्टर करना है. ओके, दिस इज योर हॉलीडे होमवर्क ना. सो 9th one, horizontal addition. Horizontal addition means one has done for us. Then second one आपको ऐड करना है लाइक दिस. 59 and 4 ऐड करेंगे. 9 4 13 3 and 1 is carry, then 5 1 6, then write here 63. So, okay, so you have to do these like this. Okay, understood all of you students? Very good. Now turn your page. Next lesson 10. You have to write date and addition without carry. So you have to do, you know na, how will you do these questions? Firstly you have to write date and you know na, how will you do addition questions? Firstly we will add ones, we will start from ones, then 5 4 9 303 and 1. So you have to do all these questions with same method. Okay, next one Next chapter, addition with carry. So you know na how will you do these questions? Very good. One has been done for us. So we will start from second. So look here, how will you do these questions? Write here. Firstly you have to write here numbers. 100 के नीचे 100, tens के नीचे tens and ones के नीचे ones. 534 and 258. Now add this. 8 4 12, then 2 1 is carry. 5 3 8 1 9 5 2 7. Okay, understood all of you? How will you do these questions? Firstly you have to write these numbers 762 and 194 and add this like this. 4 2 6 9 6 15 का 5 1 is carry. 7 1 8 1 9. Okay, understood all of you students? Now turn your page. Now students, this is your lesson 12. So firstly you have to write date, and this is your word problems on addition. So you know now how will you do these questions? Okay, so first one, look here. There were 217 blue marbles, 119 green marbles and 286 red marbles in a box. Then how many marbles were there in all? So you have this. Blue marbles is 217, green toffees is 119 and red toffees is 286, and add this 22, then write here 622. Next one chapter, subtraction. Again you have to write date, subtraction. So fill in the blanks. So then you have to fill these blanks, properties of subtraction, with the help of your book. And if we subtract 0 from any number, then answer is number itself. Again look here, and second one question, this one has done for us. The 6 minus 0 equal to 6. And if we will subtract 125, if we will subtract 125 from 125, then we will get 0. So in this question you have to fill these boxes with the correct number. So understood all of you? How will you do these questions? Okay, now turn your page. This is your next lesson, horizontal subtraction. Firstly again you have to write date and fill in the blanks by counting backward. One has been done for us like this. 72 minus 5, 72, then you 5 means you have to write numbers here. 72 minus 5 means 67, then write here 71 70 69 78 67. So look here, second number is 101 minus 2. Then if we will subtract 101 minus 2, then how will you? Then 11 minus 2 is 9. Okay, and here 1 is carry 9. So you have to write here 101 199. Again 129 minus 5, then 124. Then right here 129 and 128, 127, 126, 125, 124. Understood all of you? How will you do these questions? Very good. Next one, fill in the blanks. So students, this is questions of subtraction. Then you have to do these questions. Now students, come on your next lesson, lesson 15, subtraction without borrowing, means simple subtraction. So you know now how will you do questions of subtraction. 3 minus 4 equal to 1, 2 minus 3 is 1, 1 minus 2 is 1. So students, do all these questions with same method. Okay, now turn your page. Subtraction with borrowing. So firstly you have to write date, and subtraction with borrowing, if one is done for us. So we will start from second. Then how will you do this question? So take one borrow from 8 here, then here we get 14 and 14, and here 7, then 14 minus 5 equal to 9, 7 minus 3 equal to 4 and 3 minus 1 equal to 2. 249. So understood all of you? How will you do questions of subtraction with borrowing? Very good. Now students, come on your next page. Lesson 17, world problems on subtraction. So world problems on subtraction. On a rainy day, 75 children did not come to school. If there were 585 children in the school, how many were present on the day? Means if एक स्कूल में 585 स्टूडेंट्स हैं और रेनी डे में 75 स्टूडेंट्स नहीं आए तो कितने स्टूडेंट्स उस दिन प्रेजेंट थे? देन टोटल चिल्ड्रन मीन्स 585, चिल्ड्रन absent is 75, then children present is 5 minus 5 equal to 0, 8 minus 7 equal to 1 and 5. 510 means answer is 510 children were present that day. Okay, so do all these questions with same method. Okay, now turn your page. Multiplication facts, you know na students. Firstly you have to write date, write the multiplication fact each picture. 3 into 2 equal to 6, 1, 2, 3. Then students, how many lines? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 na? Then write here 4. And how many butterflies in each line? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then 6. Now multiply this. 6 4s are 24. Okay, understood all of you? How will you do this question? Very good. Next one, multiplication fact. Then you have to multiply these numbers. 1, 2, जितनी नंबर है आपको उस नंबर की नंबर काउंटिंग से मल्टीप्लाई करनी. लाइक दिस 1, 2, 3, 4. लाइक दिस ये नंबर क्या है? 4. सो राइट हियर 4. कितने नंबर है? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 है ना? देन मल्टीप्लाई 4 इक्वल टू 16. लाइक दिस 1, 2, 7 नंबर है 7 एंड हाँ कितने नंबर है? 7, 2, 3, 4, 5. देन 5 नंबर है 35. ओके, दिस वन ऑल्सो मल्टीप्लिकेशन फैक्ट. 3 into 2 is equal to 6. तो 2 को आपको 3 बार लिखना है. 8 into 1, then 8 को आपको 1 बार लिखना है. So understood all of you? How will you do these questions? Very good. 9 into 3 equal to 27 and 8 into 4 equal to 32. Okay. Now multiplication tables. You know na multiplication tables. लर्न दी टेबल्स ऑफ 1 to 10. आपको लर्न करवाई है ना 2 से 10 तक टेबल्स. सो 2 5s are 10s. You have to write this with tables. You have to do this question with tables. Okay, and next one, fill in the blanks boxes. So you have to fill these boxes like this. 2 4, then 2 2s are 4. You have to do these two questions with tables. Okay, 2 7s are 40, 3 7s are 21, like this. Okay, so you have to complete this work in your holiday homework book. Okay, students, you have to do lesson 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Okay, this is your summer holiday homework of maths. Okay, and you have to do in good handwriting and very carefully. Okay, bye. Thank you. Have a nice day.